sir.
Welcome, madam. Madam, am I audible?
Yes, sir. It is audible, sir. It is audible.
Okay.
Good evening,
Yes, we can start our well.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, Dr. Anandan, sir.
Ma'am, we have responded. I have already responded. You please kindly ensure our response, please.
Which form, sir? First form or second form, sir?
Second one, ma'am. Continuous
Okay,
consideration.
thank you, sir. Second form, Mr. Anandan. Actually, sir, what happened? No, some of the members click on the Google Drive. That's why it asked for access. That is the problem. Without knowing that, we also supported that.
Okay, ma'am. 3:15 around 3.
The form is responded, sir.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Kindly ensure for work done also, sir. To that form, kindly click on the work done button also. It will turn to us. At the right side of the forum, it will be in work. Your work turned in, sir. Submit. அது மட்டும் work done ன்னு கொடுத்துட்டீங்கன்னா it will be in turned in mode, sir. Tirumurthy, have you completed, sir? Tirumurthy?
Ma'am, exam completed, ma'am.
Completed. Have you make it as a mark as done பண்ணிட்டீங்களா பா?
Check பண்ணிடுறேன் ma'am.
பண்ணுங்க. முடிச்சோன validity session முடிச்சோன பாத்துக்கங்க. அப்படி போட்டு turned in பார்க்கிறதுக்கு ஈஸியா இருந்துச்சு. That is all.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
So we welcome all the participants and the resource person for this valedictory session, Professor S. Kannan. Welcome you, sir.
Welcome, madam. Madam, any of them still need to join?
They will join, sir. Actually, somewhat difficulties in writing their test, sir. The way the link went on, it was somewhat difficulties they are suffering. That's why they'll come, sir. They'll come. You please start the session, sir. No need to wait for. No need to wait for them, sir. We will start the session. Let them come, sir.
All right, madam. Distinguished madam.
Yes, sir.
Elegant participants of this program, not only in Tamil Nadu but also from all over India. Some representation comes from the Maharashtra, Karnataka, Kerala, Pondicherry, and very many engineering college professors who are all the pillars of present day Make in India scheme, which was the need of the hour for the India after independence. We have everything, as our Tamil poet Subramanya Bharati has rightly pointed out nearly 75 years ago, when he was the 40 years of youngster. He written a poem in Tamil like that. Enna illai inda thirunaattil, yen kaiye yenda vendum ayal naatil. It means what is the resources is not present in our motherland. Why we have to beg with the other foreign country, especially the developed country like England. So we have all resources. We have to realize ourselves, and we design ourselves for our better life. We design our comfortable life, modernized life with the independent India, not under the governance of England people who ruled the India in earlier days. At the time, this particular poem has still make it meaningful for the betterment of the higher education, especially in the engineering department. As present government is having a new scheme called Skill India and Make in India, I hope it may not be reached up to the level of the rural masses, but maximum it is trying to reach to the colleges in higher education institutions, especially the central government institutions like NIT or IIT, IISc, like that, central universities are all tried their level to manufacture their products according to the need of the people. So in this juncture, the faculty development program, also sponsored by Atal program, is very vital one. And one more thing I like to mention in this juncture, anyone who equipped ourselves to be the job or employer, as we are all the teachers in the teaching fraternity, we got a much inspiration to the students. We have to be refresh ourselves. We have to be update our knowledge ourselves. That must be solved. The solution must be the solution for present day problem. So in our present day, we have to have lot of issues in our day-to-day activities, from the morning wake up to till death. The day we have to face lot of problem, in which our environment also very much needed to conducively present to cope up with our health and hygienic happenings. Present day, last 1.5 years, from the March 24th onwards, India declared the COVID-19 pandemic for our people to safeguard ourselves, to retain in the house itself and carry out our activities. So because of the lockdown happened, we are all in a position to do our duty with our limited circumferences. Instead of personal meeting with the students, offline mode has been shifted into the online mode. Even this faculty development program, which we are conducting through the online mode, which is one way it may be safe for ourselves. We are all safeguarding ourselves from our home. Another way, we are missing very many people who are all knowledgeable and who are all having a wholehearted support to friendliness to make ourselves friends when we will be in the offline mode at NIT Trichy. So we are missing the other North Indian people who are all visiting to the Trichy to undergo this particular program if it is offline mode. So one way it may be the setback. Another way we are getting safe ourselves from our home. Even otherwise, any person who obtained the job, like teachers, we are all inculcating the knowledge, innovating the students to think on innovative way. By this nature, our thought-provoking profession of teaching must be never ever greenish manner. So it should not be left it aloof. For that purpose, this particular training is now and then at the mercy of the government of India with the fundedness through the Atal program. They are all conducting this particular program. This is a thought-provoking program. In this program, for 4 days program, you have attended from the 5 days program from the Monday. This is the 5th day you are conducting this particular program and coming to the end of valedictory function. And I am so proud to be the chief guest to this August program to deliver the valedictory address. So I express sincere wishes to everyone who participated. Here you are getting much knowledge. Here you are getting yourself get refreshed and new information and a new thought of innovative way how we have to handle the students, how we have to get the new information for the developed or modernized techniques nowadays come across in the global scenario, and very many techniques related to engineering devices, as we have seen in the morning. There are revolution happened through the industrial revolution, which are textile industry. Because of the fire, because of the, we are able to yarn the cloth. That's why revolution happened. Then diesel combust vehicle was invented that help us to move from a place to place with the motor, mechanized motor, so the combustion motor that helped the mobility. Through the mobility, then later on flight has been invented, and we have made the industrial revolution marvelously. At the same time, we never ever care about the environment where we lived. Presently, the information technology revolution is under the way from the 2000 onwards in India. Because of the information technology, we are all making a global zero distance. We can have the idea of communication. Our information to be delivered to the another corner of the globe within a fraction of second without any delay. So that much satellite communication we are all enabled. That is because of the engineer produced by the teachers, kind-hearted and equipped teachers to the society. That's why it is being highly, new projects are being coming out. Now the artificial intelligence is one of the way by which the new era is going to be start. If that particular artificial intelligence, very many places like sewage drainage, where the human is employed to remove the blockage or manpower using on the sewage system, where the mechanized artificial intelligent vehicle machines can be adapted and they can do lot of work. Even very many hot core region where any fight happened between the neighboring country, where the war foot region, we can employ the artificial intelligent vehicle can be used, and that will be the save the person who are in the soldiers who are all sacrificing by killing by the neighbor. So that kind of activities are detecting or patrolling of entire globe, Indian continent, Indian boundaries, both water as well as the land area and also the surface, the Air Force manner, we can view the various other patrolling. So by this way, the technology have to be developed, though we can have the civil engineer, mechanical engineer, IT engineer, electrical engineer, like that widening of very many engineering aspects happening forthcoming years. You are the pioneer to do lot of the things that have to help them to form the new era for the industrial revolution, for the artificial intelligence revolution, which are forthcoming years. For that purpose, your aim must be very high. In this particular 5 days program, you enriched yourself. What are all the information you have enriched? Try to implement it in your classroom atmosphere with your beloved students. So they are all your clients. They are all your message carried from you to the implementation part. So you implement through your student. That must be more benefit to everyone. And also your your entire this course duration, very many teachers who are all highly knowledgeable, experienced people has been invited by the organizers, and I express my sincere warm thankfulness for the experts who have come across from various angles and assist to the this particular program organizing secretary. For this purpose, I must thank everyone, and I must thank the funding agency for permitting this kind of training program to be conducted, and I can provide the thankfulness for inviting me to this August gathering. I express warm, sincere and thankfulness to the everyone. Thank you one and all. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your nice valedictory address about this program and the importance of the invention and all the research ideas which we have to work forward to the society and to uplift the students, young inspiring minds, how to inspire them and how to innovatively ask them to work, render their service towards the society also. So every invention, whatever the researchers and the scientists and the engineers, together we are working as the teaching community. Together we are working. Everything is going to should be go to the layman of the society and layman of this nation. That is the thing. Why there is a reduction in economics cost for and thing, the introduction of polymer things and all. Whatever it is, whatever the invention, it should reach out the layman also. The cost, whether the working condition, everything. So towards that, we are inspiring by your thoughts. How much enna valam illai in the Tirunattil. Whatever the resources, it is availability in plenty. We have to work it and kindly give it to the society also, sir. Thanks for your kind words and for your acceptance. Um, uh, First, I asked you for voluntary session, chief guest. Immediately, you have responded and acceptance for your kind acceptance in between your busy schedule. Thank you so much, sir, for your kind acceptance. And I thank all the participants, each and every participants, for their kind cooperation. Because starting a program and continuing it, conducting it and all, it is not an easy task. With the fullest cooperation of the participants only, it is make happening. You are the one made it happen also. And I wholeheartedly register my thanks to all the resource persons. Actually, 15 resource persons shared their ideas. Each and everyone has worked towards the societal issues, giving a task, what are the problems in the environment, how to rule over it, what are the areas, and many resource persons given friendly approach, come forward to align to work with us. As a bioengineering, I am looking forward for a mechanical engineering. Madam and sir has gave an open task to the participants also. So this is a nice opportunity to meet you people and to work aligned with you. I thank Almighty, thank each and everyone, the funding agency, AACTE, and next one, our beloved Dean sir, whenever we approach him, beyond his comfort zone, he'll sign it and he'll encourage us to motivate to run this program and all. And the CSE staff member, Dr. D. Sandil Kumar, and next Mr. Begin, and next our own department head Dr. K. Jyoti Venkatachalam. They are friendly approaching us and motivate us to work for this platform, and also to uplift our career, self-career, to developmental activities and all. I thank each and everyone for this wonderful opportunity. You all made it this opportunity to be a grand success. Thank you. And thanks for the resource person also, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. So I think here we are ending this session. And afterwards also, if you need any help regarding this program or regarding any other activities, you please contact us. You please connect with us. And any other queries, sir? Actually, Dr. Anandan has asked the email address of a resource person, which will be posted in the classroom. Any other queries? The feedback link is also posted in the classroom, and the time is extends for 8 o'clock. So you can post the link, and the test time is also extended up to 4:59. Is there any queries? Please ask me.
Can I get leave, madam?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.